To charge your Whoop device, start by locating the charging dock that came with your device. The charging dock is a small, round base that your Whoop strap fits into. Next, plug the charging dock into a USB port on your computer or a wall adapter. Make sure the charging dock is properly seated and the USB connector is securely plugged in. Now, take your Whoop strap and place it into the charging dock, ensuring that the metal charging pins on the dock make contact with the corresponding pins on the strap. You will know the device is charging when the lights on the strap start to flash. It is essential to charge your Whoop device regularly to ensure it continues to track your health and fitness data. The battery life of a Whoop device can last up to 5 days on a single charge, depending on usage. To get the most out of your device, charge it whenever the battery level falls below 20%. Best practices for charging your Whoop device include avoiding overcharging, which can reduce the lifespan of the battery. It is also crucial to keep the charging dock and strap clean and dry to ensure proper charging and prevent damage to the device. In addition to regular charging, it is recommended to update your Whoop device software regularly to ensure you have the latest features and improvements. To do this, open the Whoop app on your mobile device, go to the Settings menu, and select the Software Update option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update process. By following these steps and best practices, you can keep your Whoop device charged and up to date, ensuring that you can track your health and fitness data accurately and effectively.